Extreme blackhead removal. Deep pore cleaning results. Satisfying extraction. Blackheads are one of the most common skincare problems people experience. They usually appear on the nose, chin, and forehead where the skin produces more oil. In today's video, we are performing an extreme blackhead removal treatment along with deep pore cleaning. These stubborn blackheads have built up over time and require careful extraction. Stay until the end to see the satisfying transformation and the final results after the pores are fully cleaned. What causes blackheads? Blackheads are a type of acne that occurs when pores become clogged with oil, dirt, and dead skin cells. When the pore remains open, the trapped material reacts with oxygen in the air and turns dark. This creates the black appearance that we call a blackhead. Several factors can increase the chances of developing blackheads, including excess oil production, poor skincare routine, dead skin buildup, hormonal changes, heavy skincare products. Regular deep cleansing can help prevent this buildup and keep the pores clear. Deep pore cleaning process. Before extraction begins, the skin needs to be properly prepared. The first step is cleansing the face to remove surface dirt, oil, and makeup. After cleansing, steam or warm towels are applied to soften the skin and open the pores. Opening the pores makes it easier to remove the blackheads without damaging the skin. Once the skin is prepared, the extraction process can begin. Blackhead extraction. Now comes the most satisfying part of the treatment, blackhead extraction. Using a professional dermatology extraction tool, gentle pressure is applied around the clogged pore. With careful technique, the blackhead is released from the skin. It is important to perform this step slowly and carefully to avoid irritation or damage. As the extraction continues, more and more pores become clean and clear. Skin soothing treatment. After the extraction is complete, the skin needs to be soothed and protected. Calming products such as toners, serums, or masks are applied to reduce redness and tighten the pores. Hydrating products also help restore the skin's natural balance after the deep cleansing treatment. Final results. After the deep pore cleaning treatment, the difference is clearly visible. The pores appear smaller and cleaner, while the skin looks smoother and healthier. Regular skincare and proper cleansing can help maintain these results and prevent blackheads from returning.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.